your personal AI yoga instructor. We present to you an AI that allows users to specify areas of improvement and receive detailed yoga flows to strengthen their physique. YogiBear functions as a chat box and mimics a personal instructor. We welcome individuals who are seeking personalized assistance in yoga and want to learn about various poses. 8 in 10 yoga practitioners learn yoga with technology at home, showing that our technological innovation will be beneficial. We create efficiency in yoga by matching users with specific yoga poses based on what areas they want to target, and we attract more yoga participants. So what's unique? Essentially the tailored yoga experience we provide using Gen AI. There is not a need to be a yoga expert to practice yoga with our innovation. In the future, we want to refine our model and improve accuracy. We want to incorporate guided flows, and we want to have user history so users can have access to their past flows. Our team learned how to format data for OpenAI using a RAG technique, how to utilize OpenAI and being able to create embedding of documents to store into Pinecone database, and how to use LangChain for tools such as memory, models, indexes, and prompting. Our team initially struggled with finding yoga pose data, understanding LangChain, vectorizing data, and communicating between Pinecone and OpenAI. However, through guidance and resources, we overcame these roadblocks. Now let's take a look at our demo.
Hello, my name is Jose, and I'm going to quickly demonstrate Yoga AI chatbot. I'm going to start off by saying my back hurts. And it's going to ask for more questions to try to specify where the pain is coming from or get more information about the pain. So I'm going to say my lower back hurts. It is more of my lower back, and it is constant. So I'm just gonna say something. It worsens when I twist my torso. So this yoga chatbot job is to get information from the user to try to create a yoga flow of 5 poses. So as you can see, it created just that right here. So it looks like it's gonna start with the child pose, and it provides information on how to get into the position, which is really good for a flow. Okay, and it also provides ways to like transition from one pose to the next one. So as you can see, it says come up to your hands and knees and inhale and arch your back. So we're actually able to transition from one to the second, and that's kind of like a yoga flow created. So the final answer is this right here, and it was created by these 5 different yoga poses. To quickly go over the application, as you can see, it was a UI created in Python Flask. We first just kind of do like a generic chatbot where we try to get all the information involving the user's pains and aches. Right now we just have it set limited to 3 questions, but in the future we want it to be set where the AI will know when it's time to transition from chat to just providing the flow. And then with the final response, it's again kind of similar. We just switch up the prompt and ask for the 5 yoga poses. And then once we have 5 yoga poses, then we get the fine-tune answer, and the fine-tune method here is another call to OpenAI to using like a fine-tune model to provide the flow of 5 positions, 5 yoga poses.
Hello, my name's Mark, and I helped with the data collection / preparation of the project. We ended up finding our data through this on a JSON file online that had all these different poses on there. We fed it to Python, pulled the features we thought would be necessary. We did some feature engineering to pull body parts that were strengthened. And we ultimately ended up converting the data into a markdown file that looked in this format. With the help of Jose, we got it running on a Pinecone database and vectorized our data.
Hi, my name is Hazan, and I worked on fine-tuning the model. So the reason why we wanted to fine-tune the model is so that the yoga bot sounded more like a actual yoga instructor rather than just a chatbot. So the way I went about doing this is by Googling several yoga videos on YouTube, and from there I got the transcript and organized it into different paragraphs. Those paragraphs I then just put into a JSON-L file, which was used as training data to fine-tune the model. And afterwards, I went into the OpenAI website where you have the option to give JSON-L files to fine-tune your current model. And from there, after getting a successfully fine-tuned model, I copied the job and just put it into my code. So as you can see over here, usually this section would be put with what model you're using. So it could be GPT 3.5 or 4.0, but in this scenario, this is just the fine-tuned model we used.